internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku unboxing video. This is for the July box. Let's just get into the unboxing. So this theme, I don't know if there's a theme to it. I keep assuming subscription boxes have themes because every other subscription box I use has a theme, but I haven't found that to be the case necessarily with Inku. I feel like they just kind of go with what feels right at the time. Cool, so we've got, ooh, this is weird. It's almost like a toothbrush for your gum. I don't know how to describe it. It's a hedgehog pen. I don't think it's by any particular brand, so it might be, I think it's more like a novelty pen, but I can't get over this. And I don't know if there's a point to it, if it's supposed to do something, but it's very nice to play with. And we have, oh, I think I do have this one. I think I have actually no, I don't. I have the purple and I have the green, but I don't have the blue. This is a highlighter, like a glitter highlighter. But let's try those at the end of the video. So first up we have a ruler. Ooh, I don't know the name of it specifically. Is it Kinoko no Yama? This is a ruler, duh. But the chocolate on it, if you go to any Asian grocery store, you'll probably have seen this. In fact, actually, I think even normal, like, not normal, but like regular supermarkets like Coles and Woolies, I think, may stock it now. It's just like a chocolate with a bit of biscuit on it. But I grew up eating this, and now it's on a ruler, which is kind of the best thing ever. Like that a lot. And then this is, oh, it's a mini stapler. That is so cute. How do I open this? It feels like I should do something. Okay, I think you just literally pull it open. Okay, so it's got staples in it. And there we go. Okay. But I guess it just rests and it's like really low. You know how some staples naturally sit more like this? But I guess this makes it easier to store. And then, oh, okay. These are tapes, deco tapes. Let me actually, I'm not gonna, I'll open it now, it's like, but I'll try it on the paper later when I try the pens so that you guys can see exactly what the tape looks like. But I think I have another one of these from a Zen Pop box. It's really nice. And then these stickers, like drink stickers. That's adorable. But I think there's enough space you can, oh yeah, you can write stuff on it. Have a quick look inside. So these are all the different stickers. I can't wait to try this. I just don't know if I'm creative enough to come up with really nice spreads. I see some people do it on Instagram and I'm like, I didn't even think to use it that way. And I think this is the last item. It's a notebook. So it's a big notebook. Let me zoom out so you can kind of get a view on its size. Oh, it's lined. This is actually going to be really good. I was almost about to pull the trigger and buy another lined notebook because I obviously really need one. Lying don't. But this one just feels like I wanted to use it for some studying that I wanted to do, and I think this might be really suitable for that. Alright, cool. So that's everything in the July box. I'm going to put the stuff away. Let's test out those pens and the deco tape. Alright, so the first thing we're going to try is this highlighter. It is the Kirarich glitter highlighters. So I mentioned before I have the green and I think the, did I say orange? I can't remember the other color, but I don't think I have blue. So let's try this out. You can barely see the glitter, to be honest, if I'm super honest. Like, I don't even know. I'm not even sure if I do this, if you can see the glitter. You can see the shine because the ink is still a bit wet, but you can barely see the glitter, I think. I can barely see it in real life, so I'll be surprised if this camera catches it, but hopefully you see something. So I don't normally try novelty pens. You know that I usually just skip right over them because I know the ink is just going to be pretty subpar, but I can't stop playing with this hedgehog. So I'm like, you know what, let's just try it out. I think this is actually a ballpoint pen. I'm just taking the little plastic thing off. Yeah, I think this is a ballpoint pen. Oh my gosh. Am I glad I tried this? The ink is green. I did not think the ink would be green. I thought it would be black. I feel like all novelty pens are black, right? So why would this be green? This is really cool. Actually, I still think it's a novelty pen, but I really like this novelty pen and I'm actually going to use it. And then we've got the deco tape. It's an extra wide deco tape. You can get them pretty thin, but let's give this a shot. It's not going to be straight, I can promise you that. Okay, whoops. Oh man, I cut it off right at the text, which I hate doing. There we go. Sorry, I messed that up. But yeah, you can see all the animals are saying domo arigato, arigato. They're all saying thank you. So it's like a very bunch of animals with a lot of gratitude on them. Arigato, it's just thank you. So yeah, that is everything in the July Inku box. Let me know what you guys think. I love hearing your feedback for the boxes and just what you guys are thinking about them. So be sure to leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.